Hey guys, it's Kerry. There are two main groups of whales, the baleen whales and the toothed whales. Baleen whales have fibrous plates in their mouth instead of teeth, which help them filter out huge quantities of krill, plankton and crustaceans. Toothed whales have teeth, which enable them to feed on larger prey such as fish and squid. Please subscribe, like and turn on notifications. Beluga whale. My two new belugas are from 1991. That makes them 31 years old. The beluga has adapted to life in the Arctic. Its all-white colour and the absence of a dorsal fin allows it to swim under ice with ease. Its sense of hearing is highly developed and its echolocation allows it to move about and find breathing holes under sheet ice. The shape of the beluga's head is unlike that of any other cetacean, as the melon is extremely bulbous, lobed and visible as a large frontal prominence. Narwhal. It is one of two living species of whale in the family Monodontidae. The males are distinguished by a long straight helical tusk. Pilot whale. They are among the largest of the oceanic dolphins, exceeded in size only by the orca. Notice the anchor-shaped patch under the chin. Minke whale. They are the second smallest baleen whale. Only the pygmy right whale is smaller. Please subscribe, like and turn on notifications. Sei whale. They are the third largest rorqual after the blue whale and the fin whale. Fin whale. When feeding, they blow 5 to 7 times in quick succession, but while travelling or resting will blow only once every minute or two. All toothed whales have a melon in their forehead. It's a mass of tissue which focuses the whale's calls, vital for communication and echolocation. Some whales bubble net feed. This involves whales cooperatively blowing bubbles that encircle their prey. As the prey won't cross through the bubbles, they're trapped, making it easy for the whales to eat them. Blue whale. They are massive, growing to 30 meters in length and weighing more than 200 tons. Their tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant. Their hearts as much as an automobile. When a blue whale exhales spray from the blowhole, it shoots nearly 10 meters into the air. Blue whales can be found migrating from both north and south poles in the oceans around the world. They sit on top of the food chain and have a significant role in maintaining a healthy marine environment. Whole genome sequencing suggests that blue whales are most closely related to sei whales, with grey whales as a sister group. The only known natural threat to blue whales is the killer whale. Killer whale or orca. They are apex predators and they have no natural predators. The killer whale is the largest extant member of the dolphin family. They have exceptionally sophisticated echolocation abilities, detecting the location and characteristics of prey and other objects in the water by emitting clicks and listening for echoes, as do other members of the dolphin family. An individual orca can be identified from its dorsal fin and saddle patch. Their day-to-day behaviour generally consists of foraging, travelling, resting and socialising. They frequently engage in surface behaviour such as breaching, which means jumping completely out of the water, and tail slapping. These activities may have a variety of purposes such as courtship, communication, dislodging parasites or just playing. Right whale. The white patches are callosities which appear white due to large colonies of cyamids or whale lice. Southern right whale. Notice its long arching mouth begins above the eye. Blainville's beaked whale. In adult males, the crown of a tooth erupts from each side of the lower jaw as they mature. Whale shark. They're not actually whales, but the world's largest fish. These huge creatures can grow to 12 meters in length. They breathe via their gills. The name whale shark comes from the fact these animals are so large, as big as whales, and that they filter feed like the baleen whales. They have cartilage instead of bone, making them a true shark. Grey whale. It is covered by characteristic grey-white patterns. These are scars left by parasites which drop off in its cold feeding grounds. They have 2 blowholes on top of their head, which can create a distinctive heart-shaped glow at the surface in calm wind conditions. They feed mainly on benthic crustaceans, which it eats by turning on its side and scooping up sediments from the seafloor. Some quick whale facts. Male humpback whales found in the US sing complex songs in winter breeding areas. The blue whale weighs as much as 24 elephants. Whales are long-living. Bowhead whales especially can live for more than 200 years. Killer whales are highly social and often travel in groups that are matrifocal. Humpback whale. Males compete aggressively for access to estrus females. The breeding season is during winter and breeding takes place in tropical waters. During courtship, the male follows the female. Then they engage in rolling, flipping and tail fluking. Next, both dive and then surface vertically with ventral surfaces in close contact. This is where the male inserts his claspers, which is another word for penis, injecting sperm into the female's cloaca. They emerge from the water to a point below their flippers. They then fall back onto the surface of the water together. In sexually mature males, the weight of the testes and the rate of spermatogenesis increase during the breeding season, coinciding with the ovulation of the females. Pygmy sperm whale hunts prey by echolocation. It possesses the shortest rostrum of current-day cetaceans. Sperm whale. They are named after the waxy substance, spermaceti, found in their heads. The spermaceti is an oil sac that helps the whales focus sound. It is the largest of the toothed whales and the largest toothed predator. An adult sperm whale has few natural predators, although calves and weakened adults are sometimes killed by pods of killer whales. The sperm whale's flukes are triangular and very thick. Proportionately, they are larger than that of any other cetacean and are very flexible. The whale lifts its flukes high out of the water as it begins a feeding dive. It has a series of ridges on the back's caudal third instead of a dorsal fin. The largest ridge was called the hump by whalers and can be mistaken for a dorsal fin because of its shape and size. Bowhead whale. They use their massive triangular skull to break through Arctic ice. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.